Okay, so using this one, we're going to actually use the donut command. So the insides of these are going to be donuts. And we're going to also use a rectangular pattern. So this is one of those examples where I will show you how to use that. So we're going to start off by creating this shape. And we can see that we have some squares. We have an offset, which is located here. And then we have a couple of arcs, if you like to say, or circles that are built on this inside. So let's go ahead and switch to AutoCAD and start drawing. So let's start with the rectangle. Select here. And then the coordinates or the dimensions that I'm going to use is 2.5, 2.5. Then enter. Let's go ahead and offset that distance of 0.2. So offset, it wants a distance first, so 0.2, enter. Select the square and then click to the inside. Next, let's go ahead and create a circle with a radius. So circle, center radius. At this intersection or endpoint, and it has a radius of 1. Let's go ahead and create our next circle, center radius, at the same location, so this endpoint, and it has a radius of 0.9. Let's go ahead and use the trim command. So let's trim. And I'll take off all of these arcs to my square. And then I'm also going to take off the square that's around this on the inside. Next, let's go ahead and put in our donut. Donut command is located here. So it asks me to specify the inside diameter. Now if you refer back to the drawing, one has the inside and the other one has the outside. But you are able to switch those numbers. So for example, it's asking me for an inside and I'm going to use the 0.7 as my inside and I'll use the 0.62 as the outside. And AutoCAD will figure it out either way it goes. So although it says inside, it can be larger or smaller than that diameter. So I need to locate this at the geometric center of my square. So I'll shift and right click and choose geometric center, touch this edge, and then I can click on the geometric center and then hit escape. Let's use the polar array. And I'll select these objects here. The center of my array will be at the center of my donut. And then tell it that you have 4 objects. Close the array. And then for the last step I need to do is create a rectangular array. So I'll choose a rectangular array. Select the objects that I want to array. And you can see it's giving me a preview. In this case, we have 3 columns. And the spacing between them refers to the point to where it starts to the exact same point along where the other one is. So the distance in between here, we're going to put at 2.65. We have 2 rows. And this one has that same distance, so from this endpoint to this endpoint, I want to be at 2.65. Go ahead and close the array. And just like that, you're finished with this one. Thanks for watching.